Hey guys, I'm back. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys my favorite products. These products are very affordable, so if you're worried about like how much it costs, you don't have to worry. Anyways, let's get into it. Okay, first I'm gonna start with this e.l.f. setting spray. I've been using this like new one. And it also sprays like a very good amount of the spray, like yeah, and it also makes your makeup last for super long, so you should buy this. Okay, next we have this Real Techniques sponge. This blends my makeup perfectly and it's really cheap. It's only like $5 I think, which is not that much. So you should definitely consider buying this makeup sponge. Okay, next we have this clear lip gloss from Shein. Sometimes I'm a bit like hesitant of buying like makeup off Shein, but this one hasn't done like anything bad to like my lips, and it also lasts for like super long, and it smells kind of good too, so you should definitely buy it. Okay, next we have this brown eyeshadow palette. I got it off Amazon. I'm pretty sure it was only like $4. I love this palette. This become like one of my new favorite eyeshadow palettes. I'm wearing it right now, as you can see. I don't know if you can see, but honestly it's perfect and you should buy it. Okay, next we have this e.l.f. eyeliner. I've recently become obsessed with wearing eyeliner. I'm wearing it right now. I'm about to add some extra, like it shows perfectly, like you can see it. Like I'm just gonna add a little here. I love this eyeliner. It hasn't done anything bad to like my skin yet, and it's perfect. It lasts very long, so you should definitely buy it. Okay, next we have this I Smile blush. I don't know if I pronounced that right. I love this blush. It's very pigmented. Let me show you guys. Let me put, and I mean, I don't know if you can see it, but you know, I just love it. I'm not trying to put like too much because but as you can see, it's like kind of pigmented. This is a bad example, but this blush works really well. I love it. Like I wanted like, yeah, you can see it. I love this blush so much. It's one of my favorite blushes. It doesn't do anything bad to your skin. Like I have very sensitive skin and it hasn't done anything bad to my skin, so you guys should definitely buy this blush. Okay, next we have this e.l.f. Lash It Loud mascara. This is one of my favorite mascaras. It makes my eyelashes look way longer. Let me see, like, look, my eyelashes look kind of long. This is honestly one of my favorite mascaras. It's one of the best mascaras to me personally, and you should definitely give it a try. Okay, last but not least is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I've been using this concealer ever since I started doing makeup, and it hasn't done me wrong. It's very good on like acne. Like if you're someone who struggles with like acne, this concealer works really well on your skin. This is honestly my favorite concealer, so you should definitely give this a try. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you buy some of these products. I probably did a horrible job of explaining them. I also made a mistake with like the blush. Like the blush was actually eyeshadow. I didn't know if it was eyeshadow. Like I've been wearing it as like blush, but it also works really good as blush. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. We're getting closer and closer to 700 subscribers, so anyways, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you're new and keep up for more.